Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillah wa sallallahu ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. This is our new lesson on Surat Al-Baqarah. We are now on ayahs number 75 and on. We are here. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Afa tatta أفتط معون أن. On this corner you have a ya, so noon with a sukoon followed by ya becomes أن يؤمنوا لكم وقد كان فريق. This is a ya with a sukoon, extends the ra with a kasra, so it becomes فريق. If you see here, you have the tanween dammatain followed by a meme, has a shadda over, because we are combining the tun here with the meme sound here with a kasra. So normally you would say fariqun, qun, but here the is mixing with the meme, therefore it's gonna go straight into the meme to make a meme sound, like an M sound. وَقَدْ كَانَ فَرِيقٌ مِّنْهُمْ يسمعون كلام الله. This alif here is extending this lam. This is a long alif extending the lam. كلام الله ثم يحرفونه. Min, this is a meme here, followed by the ba, a noon sakina by a ba. This noon again is going to take a mim, like M-I-M, mim. You go straight from here to here. Mim ba'di ma aqaluhu. This waw extends this lam a little bit. عقلوه وهم يعلمون. وإذا لقوا الذين. I would go into this a lot, but please watch the previous lessons. I do this so much that by now you should have memorized it. Last time we'll do this, so refer to previous lessons. The waw and alif here are just to extend that, they're not read. لَقُوا الَّذِينَ. Here you're going straight from this qaf into the lam there. لَقُوا الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا, not آمَنُوا, آمَنُوا وَقَالُوا, or آمَنُوا قَالُوا. Sorry, there's no وَقَالُوا, it's just آمَنُوا قالوا آمنا وإذا خلا بعضهم إلى بعض قالوا أتحدثونهم بما فتح الله عليكم لِيُحَاجُّوكُمْ. This is a long extended mad. لِيُحَاجُّوكُمْ بِهِ عِنْدَ رَبِّكُمْ عِنْدَ رَبِّكُمْ أَفَلَا تَعْقِلُونَ أَفَلَا تَعْقِلُونَ. صدق الله العظيم. If you have more questions, please put it in the comments. Is this too fast for most of you? Is this the level you were looking for? I didn't explain as detailed as I normally would, because if you have been following the lessons until now, you should have been advancing where I don't need to keep stopping at the similar points that I had pointed out before, but inshallah moving on a little bit quicker. But if you do prefer that I slow it up like I did before and comment more, please leave your comments under. Thank you for subscribing. May Allah bless you and I to be from the people of the Quran. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum.